Aaron here from Honda Pilot Overland. We are on Big Bend Road in the Appalachian Mountains, South Carolina, and we are going trout fishing. We can't wait to catch dinner and take you guys along for the ride. Good to see the pilot back on the dirt. All right, are you guys excited to go trout fishing?
No!
Woo! No?
They said he would cut my line off.
Oh, no.
No poo-poo.
All right, so we have been waiting for quite a while for a replacement set of struts from Flat Out Suspension. They're working on them now. They said they're gonna send us the new revised version. But the current set we have, the adjustment knobs kind of seized up and they've been making a little bit of a clicking noise. Kind of had a clicking noise from the get-go. So we're hoping this new set kind of flushes out that problem. I remember back a long time ago, we used to go backpacking down this road and we used to ride my old Subaru Forester. It did really well on roads like this. Oh no, is this a gate on the road or an offshoot? All right, it looks like an offshoot, okay. Whew, gates are my enemy.
Mine's too. When we were going maybe on 200, there was a gate and we couldn't unlock it with the key.
Yeah, and it always stinks when a new gate gets built on a road that you've, rode on a lot. Growing up or something, you lose access to some land.
What is in the front? Team Red?
All right, we're climbing up, guys. You feel the bumps?
And I'm going to have the key right here.
This is a really pretty forest, huh, guys? What do you think the biggest trout we can catch is, guys? Like what kind of trout?
A grouper trout, if that's a thing.
That's not a thing.
Okay.
So we got rainbow trout. We have rainbow trout, brook trout, and brown trout.
Are rainbow trout rainbow colored?
Which one do you think gets the biggest?
Rainbow trout.
Wrong.
Brown trout.
Brown trout's the biggest trout. Rainbow trout still get pretty big though. Let's see, I think this is the end of the road here where we get to park for our hike down into the valley. Are we planning on bringing the big tackle box? I don't think we do. I'm gonna have a small tackle box I'm bringing too. Okay. All right, yeah, let's just bring what we need. Down the trail we go. I'm always thankful for these opportunities to get into nature and kind of look around at the creation around us. It's good to get away from the daily grind of life and just get into the peaceful environment of nature. Make memories together. Leave a comment below if you guys have a favorite place that you like to go and partake in nature and find your peace. All right, boys, what can you hear?
Water.
Wow, there's the river. We can see it.
Let's go, guys.
And we are on the Foothills Trail.
Be a good spot.
I got stuff right here.
You gotta be careful with your casting, guys. All right, we made it to our first little spot here.
And there's nuts everywhere.
Come on, Sphero. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Let's go. Good job, Sphero. Nope, this is it. And generally speaking, Evan, you want to cast this way, and you want to reel a diagonal against the water, not up the river. You want to reel down the river, okay?
Dad, how am I going to get over there?
You're going to have to wait your turn or head up the other way. Nice, Adrian. Did you catch a brim?
Uh-huh.
All right. I think we're going to let the bluegill go, though, okay?
Aww.
But we can get a good picture with it.
Yay.
Life's good. We're all fishing for trout. And I got another one for dinner. I know they're not big, but this is a stocked river and there's... You got one, Evan?
Big trout already hit my
Oh, wow. Evan, did you catch a good one?
Yeah.
Nice. I'm glad we brought you along. That's going to be a lot better dinner tonight, isn't it? How did he fight? Would he fight hard?
Hard.
Nice.
It actually is. I don't hold it.
All right, we're heading back from our fishing trip, and Eli and Isaac were catching some salamanders. We got one, huh, guys?
Dad, I want to hold it.
Okay. You let it go, okay, Isaac? Is that all right, Eli?
I want to let it go.
Oh, where'd he go? Be careful. Watch your step. Okay.
A pod. That's the biggest tree.
Is that the biggest tree we found? You think that's a hemlock tree?
Yeah.
That is a big one. Awesome. That reminds me of the other place we go camping, Joyce Kilmer, huh? All right, go on up, guys. That's it.
This way?
Yeah, up.
Yeah. She knows.
She knows the path.
Saphira will show you how to do it, guys.
I can't do it.
Going up. This is the gauntlet run, guys. The last part. This is the last part up to the car. When we go on our backpacking trip, this is the hard part.
How did I get that monster?
You did a great job catching that monster, Evan. Good job. I'm glad you did, because that now we actually have some trout for dinner, huh?
Dude.
So you were the first back up, Eli?
What?
Were you the first one back up? How was that, Evan? Was that tough?
No, that wasn't tough at all.
Not tough at all.
I lost energy.
You lost lots of energy.
And I found this cool rock. I ran the whole
That's
way
some
up.
nice quartz.
And I found
Was it
this.
tough, Isaac?
I found this.
Yeah.
What is it?
Well, we made it back to the pilot, so mission success. All right, looks like the fish is almost ready. Are you guys excited to try it?
One side, yes.
Yeah, the one side. I'm glad Evan caught that big one, huh?
Yeah.
That's like equal to probably 4 or 5 of those small trout, huh?
Yeah.
Good job, guys.
Babyish one.
All right, well, I can't wait till it's done.
All right.
Thanks for joining us on this adventure. We highly recommend Oconee State Park. There's so much to do in that area. Stay tuned for the next adventure. Happy trails.